Hello class, sorry I couldn't be with you today in math, but my mom is a great substitute and she taught me how to do math, so make sure that you listen to her and learn a lot from what she says. Today, I just want to give you a quick tutorial on the shortcut method. Last week, we spent a lot of time doing the rectangle method when we talked about multiplication. This week, I want to show you a shorter method that doesn't take up as much room. I'm sure a few of you are familiar with this method, and if that's so, I expect you to be leaders in the classroom by volunteering and making sure that you're doing a good and accurate job. When you're doing the shortcut method, the first thing that you need to do is start in the ones place, just like you do when you're adding and subtracting. But instead of adding and subtracting, we're going to multiply the 4 times the 7. 4 times 7 is 28. I'm going to carry my 2 just like I would while adding and drop my 8. Now this is where it gets a little bit different when we're multiplying. This 4 needs to be multiplied by the 7 and the 6. So once I'm done multiplying by the 7, I'm going to move over and multiply 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24, and then I'm going to add my 2. 24, 25, 26. Let's try one more example. Here's my problem, 46 times 3. Remember, this 3 gets multiplied twice, once with the 6 and once with the 4. 3 times 6 is 18. I'm going to carry the 1 and drop the 8. 3 times 4 is 12, and I'm going to add my 1, 13. My answer is 138. Now that you've watched, I'd like you to do a few examples with Mrs. Ranch and then try it on your own. Have a great day.